Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday evening, March 4th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is: registration is now open for Tribe Public's CEO presentation and Q&A webinar event 2025, Navigating the Global Public Health Emergency, featuring GeoVax CEO. On March 6, 2025, in response to the ongoing global public health emergency caused by Mpox, GeoVax CEO David Dodd will be presenting at Tribe Public's CEO presentation and Q&A webinar event on March 6, 2025. Mpox, with Clade 1b showing higher transmissibility and severity, has already impacted multiple countries, including the U.S. GeoVax's Mpox vaccine candidate, GEO-MVA, is progressing towards clinical evaluation in the second half of 2025. To register for the webinar and submit questions, visit mpoxemergency.tribepublic.com. GeoVax Labs Inc. is actively developing vaccines for infectious diseases and cancer therapies, with their lead program focusing on a next-generation COVID-19 vaccine. For more information, visit geovax.com. The future of stem cell investing, spotlight on smaller innovators. The global stem cell therapy market is projected to reach $15.79 billion in the U.S. by 2034, with a compound annual growth rate of 11.9%. Stem cells offer hope for treating diseases at their root causes, not just managing symptoms. Adia Nutrition Inc. is a key player in this market, offering innovative therapies like umbilical cord stem cells and autologous hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Adia's recent achievements include FDA registration of Adia Vita, expanding access to regenerative medicine. The company's strategic expansion plan includes partnering with medical spas to offer UCB-SC therapies and stem cell injectables nationwide. Adia's high-potency stem cell product, Adia Vita, sets new standards in medical science. With a focus on quality and accessibility, Adia is reshaping the future of healthcare.
NutriCorp to launch new site management organization in clinical research, focusing on patient centricity. NutriCorp is excited to announce the launch of its cutting-edge site management organization, Nutra Life Sciences, focusing on patient centricity in clinical research. This initiative aims to enhance trial efficiency, quality, and scalability by providing centralized trial oversight, technology-driven solutions, expert clinical teams, and a strong focus on patient engagement. President and CEO Sidney Jim expressed commitment to advancing the way trials are conducted to accelerate the delivery of life-changing therapies. The SMO's services are tailored to support various therapeutic areas and trial phases, offering scalable solutions for small and large studies. Nutra Life Sciences will continue its research services by solidifying its business relationship with its research site in Richmond, TX. For more information, visit the Nutra Life Sciences website or contact info@nutralifesciences.com. Targeting ER dynamics, a novel strategy for anti-tumor immunity. A groundbreaking study has found that reticulin-4, RTN4, plays a crucial role in pyroptosis, a form of programmed cell death, by manipulating the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. Targeting RTN4 triggers pyroptosis in cancer cells, enhancing anti-tumor immune responses. This discovery not only advances understanding of pyroptosis, but also introduces a new approach for anti-cancer immunotherapy. By inducing ER remodeling, researchers from Peking University and Peking University People's Hospital demonstrated how RTN4 deficiency activates pyroptosis through the caspase-3 GSDME pathway. In vivo studies showed that RTN4 knockdown inhibited tumor growth and improved immune responses, particularly in combination with anti-PD-1 therapy. Small molecules like mangostin (IMG) could be developed as novel anti-cancer agents by degrading RTN4. These findings open new possibilities for cancer treatment by targeting ER dynamics.
Healing Frostbite Without Scars, the Promise of Skin Organoids. A new study has revealed a promising treatment for frostbite using human-induced pluripotent stem cell-derived skin organoids combined with gelatin hydrogel. These organoids accelerate wound healing, reduce inflammation, and promote epidermal stem cell regeneration in frostbite model mice. By regulating pathways to prevent scar formation, this innovative approach addresses challenges of delayed healing and scarring in severe frostbite injuries. Current therapies often fail to address underlying damage, highlighting the need for new treatments. Researchers from Peking Union Medical College Hospital and the National Center for Protein Sciences published a study in Protein and Cell showing the potential of skin organoids for scarless wound healing. This breakthrough offers hope for improving frostbite care and treating other complex skin injuries.
Ameriwell Clinics opens new location in Baltimore, offering healthcare services including medical, chiropractic, and physical therapy care. Ameriwell Clinics has opened a new location in Baltimore off of Annapolis Road. This new clinic offers a comprehensive range of healthcare services, including medical care, chiropractic services, and physical therapy. Their state-of-the-art technologies aim to help patients achieve pain-free living and improve their quality of life. Ameriwell Clinics stands out with their triple strategy approach to wellness. They provide general health checkups, illness treatment, preventive care, chronic disease management, spinal adjustments, pain management, musculoskeletal condition treatment, rehabilitation programs, and more. Patients can also benefit from telehealth communications for non-urgent concerns and follow-up care. With a focus on compassionate care, Ameriwell Clinics is dedicated to the health, comfort, and success of every patient. For those interested in becoming a new patient, visit their new location at 3424 Annapolis Road in Baltimore or call 410-231-3950 to schedule an appointment.
ADAP Advocacy releases supplemental report on 340B covered entities. ADAP Advocacy, in collaboration with the Community Access National Network, has released a supplemental report on the 340B drug pricing program. The report found that among the 33 covered entities audited, annual revenues increased by an average of 772.92%, while executive compensation increased by an average of 237.11%. CEO Brandon M. Maxada highlighted concerns about the program putting providers before patients, with some executives receiving significant pay increases while charity care provision decreased. The audit included hospitals, STD clinics, and HRSA-funded health centers. For more information, visit ADAP Advocacy's website. Highly elastic, permeable liquid metal iron fiber mat conductor for electrophysiological monitoring. Researchers have developed a highly elastic, permeable liquid metal iron fiber mat conductor with exceptional stretchability and electrical conductivity. This conductor shows promise for long-term electrophysiological monitoring in healthcare applications. The advancement of wearable technologies has led to improved mechanical properties of stretchable electronics, expanding applications in health monitoring and robotic prosthetics. By coating a mixture of liquid metal and iron powder onto fiber mats, the team achieved conductors with outstanding stretchability and high conductivity. These conductors are capable of continuous, high-fidelity electrophysiological monitoring, making them ideal for early disease detection and wearable health monitoring systems. The research, published in Wearable Electronics, offers a new perspective on developing stretchable conductors with biocompatibility and recyclability for innovative bioelectronic devices. Metabolic shift in liver cancer, how PDHX acetylation drives tumor growth. A recent study has revealed a new mechanism driving hepatocellular carcinoma, HCC progression, through the acetylation of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDC component X, PDHX, disrupting PDC assembly and promoting tumor growth. This metabolic shift towards aerobic glycolysis highlights PDHX acetylation as a potential biomarker and therapeutic target for liver cancer treatment. Researchers found that inhibiting PDHX acetylation or restoring PDC activity effectively suppressed tumor growth, offering promising new pathways for targeted therapeutic development. PDHX acetylation could serve as a valuable biomarker for predicting tumor progression and assessing patient prognosis, leading to more effective and personalized treatment strategies for liver cancer patients. Unlocking a new path to AML treatment, targeting the JMJD1C RUNX1 axis for leukemia progression control. Researchers have identified a critical mechanism in the treatment of acute myeloid leukemia, AML, revealing the protein JMJD1C's role in leukemia cell survival. JMJD1C, recruited by RUNX1, forms liquid-like condensates at genomic loci, activating key genes vital for AML cell proliferation and survival. This discovery offers a new strategy to target transcriptional programs driving leukemia, potentially overcoming its heterogeneity. The study, published in Protein and Cell, highlights JMJD1C's non-catalytic functions as essential for RUNX1 recruitment and gene regulation. By disrupting the JMJD1C RUNX1 axis, researchers aim to halt leukemia progression, offering a universal strategy against AML's genetic complexity and aggressive nature. Unraveling stress granules, key to understanding neurodegenerative diseases. A recent review delves into the role of stress granules, SGs, in cellular stress responses and their impact on neurodegenerative diseases like ALS and FTD. SGs, dynamic organelles formed during stress, are crucial for RNA metabolism and cell survival. Research from Peking University Health Science Center explores how SGs interact with organelles like lysosomes and the endoplasmic reticulum, shedding light on disease pathways. Key findings include SG's role in clearing toxic inclusions and their potential as biomarkers for early disease detection. Understanding SG dynamics could lead to targeted therapies and improve patient outcomes. By mapping SG interactions with organelles, new strategies for combating neurodegenerative diseases may emerge, shaping the future of disease management and patient care. BioUtah and the University of Utah's Technology Licensing Office announced startups selected to pitch at the 2025 Wilson Sonsini Entrepreneur and Investor Life Sciences Summit. BioUtah and the University of Utah's Technology Licensing Office have announced the 12 Utah life sciences startup companies selected to pitch at the 2025 Wilson Sonsini Entrepreneur and Investor Life Sciences Summit. The companies were chosen based on criteria such as uniqueness of the product, potential for commercialization, and quality of management. The finalists will pitch live to investors, industry experts, and conference attendees, with winners receiving cash awards. This event showcases promising new technologies and connects startups with resources needed to thrive in Utah's research ecosystem.
GeoVax highlights the critical role of MVA-based vaccines in U.S. biodefense strategy. GeoVax Labs Inc. highlights the critical role of its modified Vaccinia Ankara MVA vaccine platform in strengthening U.S. biodefense capabilities. Efforts in MVA vaccine design align with key recommendations from the Bolstering U.S. Biodefense Report, emphasizing the need for diversified medical countermeasures to protect national security. GeoVax's transition to a next-generation manufacturing platform aims to enhance vaccine supply chain security and scalability. The company's MVA-based approach complements existing vaccine platforms, addressing strategic national stockpile shortfalls. With a new HS administration, GeoVax's focus on U.S.-based vaccine production aligns with national health security goals. The company urges policymakers to support domestic vaccine production and biodefense innovation through increased funding, streamlined regulatory approvals, and public-private partnerships.
Mobile Health Network Solutions unveils AI Notes, next-generation AI medical scribe transforming clinical workflow and EHR documentation. Mobile Health Network Solutions has introduced AI Notes, a next-generation AI medical scribe that transforms clinical workflow and EHR documentation. This innovative tool captures and contextualizes doctor-patient conversations, generating structured clinical notes in real time. AI Notes seamlessly integrates with major electronic health record systems, allowing doctors to focus on patient care without the burden of manual documentation. Unlike existing solutions, AI Notes leverages advanced AI to extract key information from medical conversations, streamlining the documentation process. With plans to introduce multilingual support, AI Notes ensures inclusivity and accessibility for healthcare professionals worldwide. By enhancing accuracy and efficiency in clinical documentation, Mobile Health Network Solutions is reshaping the future of healthcare technology. ABVC Biopharma announces potential $7 million cash licensing income from existing agreements in 2025. ABVC Biopharma, Inc. expects to receive $7 million in cash licensing income in 2025 from existing global licensing agreements signed in 2023. The company also highlights progress in its botanical drug development pipeline and plans to utilize land assets for future development. ABVC anticipates receiving $7 million in cash licensing income in 2025 from milestone-based payments outlined in previous agreements. Lead products in its botanical drug pipeline are showing promising results in clinical trials. ABVC plans to leverage its land assets for strategic development initiatives to support research and development. Positioned in growing markets, ABVC is set to benefit from the projected growth in the global MDD and ADHD treatment markets, as well as the botanical drug market. For more information, visit the company's website.
Lexaria's strategic business pursuit of dihydrotech liraglutide. Lexaria Bioscience Corp. Announces a strategic business pursuit of dihydrotech liraglutide, aiming to develop the world's first orally dosed liraglutide. The company sees an opportunity with liraglutide going off patent, utilizing their dihydrotech technology for enhanced oral delivery performance. Lexaria has filed patent applications related to dihydrotech liraglutide and conducted successful animal studies showing superior results compared to the control group. The company plans to start pilot clinical testing in humans for dihydrotech liraglutide with potential benefits in the weight loss and diabetes control market. If successful, Lexaria aims for an accelerated regulatory approval pathway to launch the first orally dosed liraglutide in collaboration with Novo Nordisk. Liraglutide, currently available only in injectable form, has shown promising results in various clinical trials.
Latest research finds people with certain heart conditions may play competitive sports. New research indicates that athletes with certain heart conditions may be able to safely participate in competitive sports after shared decision-making with their clinicians. The American Heart Association and the American College of Cardiology emphasize the importance of assessing risks and rewards for athletes with cardiovascular abnormalities. The updated scientific statement reflects advancements in understanding the athlete's heart and provides guidance for safe return to play. It acknowledges that not all athletes and sports pose the same risks, and individual assessment is crucial. The statement also highlights the need for more research on how sports participation affects athletes' overall health and addresses social disparities in health outcomes among competitive athletes with cardiovascular conditions.
Skin, Bones, Hearts, and Private Parts. Hosts Pensacola Beach, Florida CME Conference in Primary and Specialty Care Settings. Skin, Bones, Hearts, and Private Parts is hosting a CME conference for healthcare professionals on May 20th to 23rd, 2025 in Pensacola Beach, FL. Attendees can earn up to 26 CME credits and 4.50 APRN pharmacology credits. Expert speakers will cover topics such as dermatology, diabetes, orthopedics, women's health, cardiology, and emergency medicine. For more information on the conference, visit skinbonescme.com. If you can't attend, consider other conference locations or online CME options. Skin, Bones, Hearts, and Private Parts has been a popular choice since 2011, with over 20,000 healthcare professionals learning from 125 speakers at 87 conference sites. Mobile Health Network Solutions secures $10 million funding to expand AI-powered telehealth solutions. Mobile Health Network Solutions, a leading medtech innovator, has secured a $10 million strategic funding agreement to support the expansion of its AI agent technology. This platform aims to streamline healthcare providers' consultation documentation and improve workflow efficiency. Unlike static AI models, MNDR's AI agent evolves over time, utilizing real-time clinical decision support and adaptive learning. A recent pilot in Singapore showed significant efficiency gains, with doctors reporting a 50% reduction in paperwork. The $10 million funding allows MNDR to enhance its AI-driven telehealth capabilities and expand regionally, focusing on Southeast Asia's growing healthcare technology adoption. For more information, visit MNDR's Investor Relations website.
Regents names new sales leadership to drive sustainable growth in Washington and Oregon. Regents has named new sales leadership in Washington and Oregon to drive sustainable growth in both states. Stacy Krim, previously Vice President of Small Business in Washington, will now be Vice President of the Washington market, overseeing account management. Renee Balsiger remains as Vice President of the Oregon market. Stephanie Walker, former Vice President of Key Accounts in Washington, will now be Vice President for the Washington State Healthcare Authority and Public Sector. Tracy Olson, previously Director of New Sales in Oregon, will now lead new sales in both Oregon and Washington. These changes come as Michael Cole, President for Regents in Oregon, takes on Washington as well, reflecting the evolving Pacific Northwest market. The new leadership structure aims to better serve customers and communities by fostering collaboration across state lines. Mpox Clade 1 in the U.S. highlights the need for vaccine supply diversification. GeoVax Labs, Inc. emphasizes the urgent need for a diversified vaccine supply chain in response to the recent confirmation of a fourth case of Clade 1 Mpox in New York. The highly virulent strain highlights the risks of relying on a single non-U.S. manufacturer for the preferred Mpox vaccine, leaving the U.S. and global markets vulnerable to disruptions. GeoVax is advancing GEO-MVA as an alternative solution with plans to transition manufacturing to a more efficient platform. The company urges policymakers to increase funding and support for GEO-MVA to strengthen vaccine supply and access, ensuring better preparedness for future outbreaks.
Miracles for Maya hosts second annual gala in March to support children battling cancer. Miracles for Maya is excited to announce its second annual Miracles for Maya Gala on March 8, 2025. The event will celebrate the organization's impact, including providing over $56,000 in holiday gifts to children battling cancer in 2024. The gala aims to raise crucial funds to continue delivering joy and support to children with cancer and their families. Priced at $85 per person, the gala offers dinner, dancing, an open bar, and entertainment by DJ Eddie. Guests can also participate in raffles for prizes like a $1,000 Southwest Airlines gift card and a PlayStation 5. The event is not just a fundraiser, but a celebration of resilience, hope, and community. Learn more at miraclesformia.org.
Marquise Who's Who listee, Sarah Schwartz, featured on 8 West to discuss mental health workshops. Sarah Schwartz, founder of 3Cs Counseling Center and Michigan Counselor Training Institute, recently discussed mental health and self-care on 8 West. She hosted an inner child healing workshop on February 5th, providing attendees with tools for emotional healing and trauma recovery. Viewers were offered half-priced admission, and the first 10 participants received a copy of one of her books. Ms. Schwartz aims to expand 3Cs Counseling Center by hiring 30 mental health clinicians by the end of 2025, providing high-quality services to clients of all ages. To schedule a session or consultation, visit 3cscounselingcenter.com. Personas and PatientWorks have partnered to enhance the patient check-in and wayfinding experience with iHealth Assist AI Avatar Concierge. Personas and PatientWorks have partnered to enhance the patient check-in and wayfinding experience with the iHealth Assist AI Avatar Concierge. This collaboration brings a new level of patient experience to healthcare facilities, improving efficiency and ease of use for patients. By integrating Personas' digital personality engine with PatientWorks kiosk solutions, patients can now communicate in their native language, including American Sign Language, without the need for additional staff. This partnership addresses critical issues such as staff shortages and long wait times, ultimately enhancing patient satisfaction and streamlining registration processes. The collaboration between Personas and PatientWorks delivers state-of-the-art, user-friendly systems that empower healthcare providers to maintain high service standards with fewer resources, providing enhanced patient experiences increased efficiency for healthcare providers, and multilingual and accessible communication.
Dr. Robert Becker Clinic celebrates patient satisfaction win at Mental Health Care Awards by Business Awards UK. The Dr. Robert Becker Clinic in Edinburgh has been honoured with the Patient Satisfaction Award at the 2024 Mental Health Care Awards hosted by Business Awards UK. Led by Dr. Robert Becker, a distinguished psychotherapist, neuropsychologist, cognitive psychologist, and pharmacologist, the clinic is known for its personalized, patient-centered care. Dr. Becker's patient-first philosophy and extensive qualifications have established the clinic as a leader in mental health treatment. The clinic's comprehensive services include psychiatric assessments, therapy for all ages, and specialist care for complex cases. Winning the Patient Satisfaction Award highlights the clinic's commitment to achieving the best outcomes for its patients, showcasing its innovative practices like the CAMS method for managing suicide risk. To learn more about the Dr. Robert Becker Clinic and their award win, visit their website or contact Business Awards UK.
Amber Johnson beautifully explains the idea of when self-care comes last, misery comes first in her upcoming book. Amber Johnson Diaz, a licensed vocational nurse, shares her personal journey of overcoming trauma and mental health challenges in her upcoming book, Sar Shalom Dynasty. After hitting rock bottom, she realized the importance of self-care and sought therapy, medication, and spiritual exploration to heal. Her book offers raw, tested insights and practical strategies for those silently struggling with mental health issues or betrayal. Amber's vision is to reach out to individuals seeking non-traditional approaches to healing. Through her story, she aims to inspire resilience, faith, and self-love. For more information, visit her website at amberjohnsondiaz.com.
IMD Companies and its subsidiary Rees LLC announce adding NAD+ to its rapid dissolving film strip technology. IMD Companies Inc. and its subsidiary Rees LLC are introducing NAD+ to their rapid dissolving film strip technology. NAD+ has gained popularity as an anti-aging supplement essential for cellular energy production and metabolic processes. Rees Health will manufacture NAD+ supplement strips, delivering up to 90% of active ingredients directly to the bloodstream. These strips will be available over-the-counter worldwide in January, along with new products like Rees Sleep and Rees Energy. CEO Riley Schuler expresses excitement for this growth opportunity, while President and CEO Rick Wilson highlights the company's commitment to adding quality products for clients and shareholders. Visit reeshealth.com and use promo code ICBU50 for a 50% discount on first month's orders.
Muhto Health and MGRC announce an exclusive distribution partnership in Turkey. Muhto Health, a global leader in DNA and epigenetic consumer testing, has announced an exclusive distribution partnership with Argentic Sağlık Turizm ve Ticaret AS for genetic testing kits in Turkey. The Muhto Health app will be translated into Turkish, and the web-based practitioner portal will also be available in Turkish. Argentic will launch a dedicated Turkish-language Muhto-branded website to offer DNA and epigenetic tests in Turkey. This collaboration presents a significant opportunity for Muhto to expand its presence in Turkey's health and longevity sector. Nathan Berkeley, CEO of Muhto Health, expressed excitement about reaching a new audience in Turkey, while Tekin Aldemir, director of Argentic, looks forward to extending the partnership beyond Turkey in the future.
Over 10,000 people have toured the Psychiatry and Industry of Death Museum in Clearwater. The Psychiatry and Industry of Death Museum in Clearwater, Florida, has welcomed over 10,000 visitors since its opening. Located at 109N Fort Harrison Ave, the museum features educational panels and videos created from interviews with experts and survivors. The exhibit aims to raise awareness about the history of psychiatry and advocate for changes in mental health laws. Operated by the Florida chapter of the Citizens Commission on Human Rights, CCHR, the museum offers free admission and a 2-hour self-guided tour. CCHR, a nonprofit organization, also hosts seminars and workshops on mental health rights and alternative solutions. For more information, call 727-442-882. Clean NASDAQ CLNN receives FDA roadmap on potential accelerated pathway for CNM-A08R. Clean, listed on NASDAQ as CLNN, and its subsidiary, Clean Nanomedicine Inc., have received guidance from the FDA's Division of Neurology 1 on a potential accelerated approval pathway for their lead drug candidate CNM-AU8 in ALS. Following a Type C meeting on November 1st, the FDA recommended leveraging additional neurofilament light data to support earlier findings. Clean plans to submit the data for accelerated approval in mid-2025, aiming to improve mitochondrial health and protect neuronal function in patients with neurodegenerative diseases. CEO Rob Etherington expressed dedication to the ALS community and helping critically ill patients. To learn more, visit Clean's website at www.clean.com.
Top-line results are in. Cognition Therapeutics' drug to fight dementia with Lewy bodies shows encouraging results in Phase 2 trial. Cognition Therapeutics, Inc. announced positive top-line results of its Phase 2 SHIMMER study for CT1812, an experimental drug to treat dementia with Lewy bodies. The trial showed strong therapeutic responses in patients with DLB, impacting about 1.4 million people in the U.S. The study met its primary endpoint of safety and tolerability, with participants experiencing improvements in behavioral, functional, cognitive, and movement measures compared to the placebo. CT1812 also demonstrated an 82% slowing in the total neuropsychiatric inventory, with reductions in anxiety, hallucinations, and delusions. Cognition plans to present detailed data at the International Lewy Body Dementia Conference in January 2025. The SHIMMER study is supported by a $30 million grant from the NIH and conducted in collaboration with the University of Miami, Miller School of Medicine, and the Lewy Body Dementia Association.
Quest Diagnostics, DGX, and Mainz Biomed NASDAQ MyNZ team up to commercialize ColoAlert early cancer detection screening in the U.S. Mainz Biomed NV is teaming up with Quest Diagnostics to bring its early colorectal cancer detection screening ColoAlert to the U.S. Quest Diagnostics will provide clinical trial and laboratory services for Mainz Biomed's FDA pivotal study of ColoAlert, targeting up to 15,000 patients. With $8 million in funding dedicated to expediting FDA approval, Mainz aims to transform cancer prevention in the U.S. The partnership with Thermo Fisher Scientific and Quest Diagnostics will drive innovation in healthcare solutions. ColoAlert analyzes tumor DNA to detect 85% of colorectal cancer cases, often in the early stages. Mainz Biomed's agreement with Quest Diagnostics put it one step closer to commercializing ColoAlert in the U.S. Stay tuned for more developments in 2025.
Amesite announces AI-powered app winning enterprise contracts in growing companies with hundreds of franchise owners. What's driving the momentum? The home healthcare market is facing a staffing crisis as the U.S. population ages. Amesite's AI-powered app, Nurse Magic, is stepping in to help. Nurse Magic provides nurses and home healthcare workers with tools to streamline work, improve care, and reduce burnout. The app has already secured contracts with franchise owners representing nationally recognized brands, resulting in recurring revenue in a $330 billion market. Nurse Magic is empowering franchises like Senior Helpers and Bright Star Care to grow their businesses and attract tech-savvy healthcare workers. By focusing on accessibility and scalability, Amesite is driving widespread adoption of Nurse Magic, positioning the company for significant growth in 2024.
The Best Charities, Seeds for a Future, is a catalyst for change and provides a sustainable solution to food insecurity and malnutrition in Guatemala. Seeds for a Future, a nonprofit focused on Guatemala, is making a real difference in combating malnutrition and food insecurity. Their sustainable program has impacted 19 communities, benefiting over 5,200 families and 41,600 individuals. By creating home nutrition gardens and teaching animal raising, they provide year-round access to nutritious food and additional income opportunities. The program empowers families, especially women, to build a better future. With your support, you can help break the cycle of poverty and malnutrition. A generous donor will match all donations made by December 31st, 2024, up to $50,000. Join this transformative movement and help rural Guatemalan families cultivate a brighter future. Donate today at seedsforafuture.org. APZME forms Strategic Dental Sleep Medicine Partnership with Dr. Omar Harmouch, DDS, MPH, of Tulia Dental in Tulia, Texas. Sleep Group Solutions and Sleep Impressions, subsidiaries of APZME, have formed a strategic partnership with Dr. Omar Harmouch, DDS, MPH, of Tulia Dental in Tulia, Texas. This collaboration will bring comprehensive sleep apnea treatment to patients in the area, offering oral appliance therapy to improve sleep quality and overall health. The partnership integrates SGS's EchoVision airway imaging technology with sleep impression support services to provide effective care for individuals with sleep disorders. With nearly 1 in 4 adults in the U.S. affected by obstructive sleep apnea, this partnership aims to expand access to care and provide life-changing solutions for patients. For more information, visit apzme.com, sleepgroupsolutions.com, sleepimpressions.com, and tuliadental.com. Nationwide lawsuit challenges Kaiser's hearing aid exclusion as illegal disability discrimination. Jason Del-Essert, a Berrien, Washington resident with hearing loss, has filed a nationwide class action lawsuit challenging Kaiser's hearing aid exclusion. This lawsuit, the first of its kind, aims to address the illegal disability discrimination under the Affordable Care Act for hearing-disabled enrollees who require prescription hearing aids. Despite a previous case settling in Washington, Mr. Del-Essert was not included in the resolution. His attorney, Eleanor Hamburger, argues that the exclusion of prescription hearing aids is a form of discrimination targeted at those with hearing disabilities. Under the ACA, Kaiser is obligated not to discriminate in healthcare provision, yet continues to enforce a categorical hearing aid exclusion in various health plans. This lawsuit seeks to put an end to discriminatory practices and ensure coverage for hearing aids for all enrollees with hearing disabilities. Clean NASDAQ CLNN secures $10 million debt facility to advance neurodegenerative disease treatments. Clean, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol CLNN, has secured a $10 million debt facility with 3 affiliated entities, expected to close by December 20, 2024. The 18-month secured, partially convertible note carries a 12% fixed interest rate with an interest-only period for the first year. 65% of the note can be converted into common stock at $5.67 per share, a 130% premium over the stock's signing day closing price. The funds will support Clean's development of its CNM-A8 treatment for ALS and other neurodegenerative diseases, meeting FDA data requirements for regulatory approval. Additionally, the company aims to repay its prior $7.9 million loan agreement with Avenue Venture Opportunities Fund. For more information about Clean, a biopharmaceutical company focused on improving mitochondrial health to treat neurological diseases, visit Clean's website at www.clean.com.
Salignostics secures TGA approval for saliva-based home pregnancy test. Salignostics announces TGA approval for Solistic, a saliva-based home pregnancy test. This milestone allows the company to introduce its innovative technology to Australia and New Zealand through a partnership with SGG Solutions. The rigorous approval process affirms the safety and accuracy of Solistic, paving the way for future regulatory clearances, including plans for U.S. FDA approval in 2025. With over 500,000 units sold in the UK and Israel, Solistic has proven its market demand. Dr. Guy Kreef, co-founder of Salignostics, emphasizes the company's commitment to innovation and quality. The home pregnancy test market in Australia and New Zealand is projected to reach $120 million by 2025, reflecting a growing demand for user-friendly diagnostics. Salignostics' groundbreaking technology uses saliva to detect the pregnancy hormone, setting a new standard for convenience and accuracy in home testing. Dr. John Taylor III, DDS, DIS, expands access to sleep apnea treatment for veterans in Baltimore, Maryland. Dr. John Taylor III, DDS, in Baltimore, Maryland, has been credentialed to provide oral appliance therapy to veterans with sleep apnea. Veterans in the area can now access non-invasive, high-quality sleep solutions at Baltimore Sleeps Better. Dr. Taylor, known for his compassionate care, will extend his expertise to veterans, offering them an alternative to CPAP therapy. This partnership between AppeaseMe, Sleep Impressions, Millennium Sleep Lab, and the VA ensures veterans receive care that enhances their sleep health. CEO Ronnie Ben David expressed pride in welcoming Dr. Taylor to the VA provider network, emphasizing the commitment to improving access to quality sleep care for veterans across the country. Bloom Health Centers expands services with Dr. Nikki Waddell, MD, FACP, at new location in Alexandria, VA. Bloom Health Centers partners with Dr. Nikki Waddell, MD, FACP, to offer mental health care at Kingstown Internal Medicine in Alexandria, VA. Services start on January 7, 2025, enhancing accessibility and compassion. Dr. Waddell's background in internal medicine will provide seamless care. The team includes skilled psychiatric nurse practitioners for diverse, patient-centered support. Bloom's integrated model treats conditions like anxiety and depression without external referrals, simplifying the process for patients. To schedule an appointment, visit Bloom Health Center's website. Their dedicated team is committed to improving mental health and well-being through personalized care.
Cogent Infotech launches CWS Health, www.cwshealth.com, to provide healthcare technology and workforce solutions. Cogent Infotech has proudly launched CWS Health, a new entity focused on providing customized health IT and innovative workforce solutions to the healthcare industry. This strategic move aims to address challenges related to patient care, clinician burnout, and operational excellence. CWS Health offers services such as health IT solutions, clinical staffing, operational support, and leadership and crisis management. With over 21 years of industry experience, CWS Health is dedicated to improving patient outcomes and setting new standards for patient care. For more information, visit their website at www.cwshealth.com.
Blue Ridge Therapeutic Wilderness launches new programming to enhance adolescent care. Blue Ridge Therapeutic Wilderness has launched a new initiative to enhance adolescent care, offering bi-weekly overnight stays at its bunkhouse for girls and boys ages 12 to 14 and 14 to 17. This program combines outdoor experiences with indoor activities like jewelry making and gourmet cooking to promote personal growth and emotional regulation. The bunkhouse experience provides physical and emotional comfort, allowing students to recharge and engage in deeper self-reflection. Blue Ridge Therapeutic Wilderness aims to support families by seamlessly integrating outdoor immersion with creative and therapeutic opportunities. Learn more about their licensed and accredited program by visiting their website or contacting an admissions counselor.
Clean, NASDAQ, CLNN, advances CNMAU8 and ALS with FDA guidance on accelerated approval pathway. Clean, listed on NASDAQ as CLNN, has received FDA guidance on utilizing data from its expanded access programs to support an accelerated approval application for CNMAU8, their ALS treatment. The FDA suggested using neurofilament light chain biomarker analyses to demonstrate the drug's effectiveness. Clean plans to submit additional data in mid-2025 and start the Phase 3 RESTORE-ALS trial. Clinical data presented at an FDA meeting highlighted CNM-08's survival benefits and safety profile, showing promise as a potential ALS therapy. Clean is dedicated to meeting the urgent needs of ALS patients, focusing on improving mitochondrial health and protecting neuronal function.
UNO CEO urges congressional action on life-saving reforms. Maureen McBride, Ph.D., CEO of the United Network for Organ Sharing, UNOS, has urged Congress to take action on a series of reforms to improve the organ donation and transplantation system. The proposed changes aim to remove barriers, increase efficiency, and reduce organ non-use to save more lives. Supported by nearly 70 community members, the letter outlines key proposals such as mandating automated donor referrals, in-cabin airline transportation for organs, organ tracking, and incentivizing hospitals to accept hard-to-place organs. These reforms could lead to more available organs for transplant, potentially preventing 4,000 deaths annually. UNOS is committed to strengthening the system and advocating for patients in need of life-saving transplants. Ensuring confined space safety compliance, a critical step for workplace safety. The newly released guide offers essential insights into OSHA standards, safety requirements, and best practices for working in confined spaces. It aims to educate employers and workers on the unique challenges posed by these potentially hazardous environments. Key highlights include detailed explanations of OSHA standards for confined spaces in general industry and construction, step-by-step guidance on identifying confined spaces, evaluating hazards, and implementing safety measures, as well as critical pre-entry safety requirements. The article emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring, clear communication, and proper equipment usage in confined space operations. DCS Rescue specializes in confined space rescue and emergency response services, providing valuable resources for employers looking to enhance safety protocols and ensure compliance with OSHA regulations.
Project 2 Morrow partners with Yoga Your Way, LLC to bring allied health and wellness training worldwide. Project 2 Morrow has partnered with Yoga Your Way, LLC to offer allied health certification programs worldwide, aiming to serve underprivileged communities. This collaboration combines virtual and in-person education, internships, and outreach to U.S. and international regions. The goal is to provide more opportunities for health and wellness training to those who may not have access to traditional education. President Nathaniel M. Ballantyne is excited about expanding educational opportunities in healthcare. CEO Anne Marie Finch emphasizes the importance of bringing healthcare and wellness to everyone. Project 2 Morrow aims to assist international and underprivileged students in pursuing higher education, while Yoga Your Way focuses on advancing health and wellness training for all. Driving innovation in diabetes management. GlucoTrack begins enrollment for human clinical trials for its implantable continuous blood glucose monitor. GlucoTrack, Inc. is disrupting diabetes management with its continuous blood glucose monitor, CBGM, that offers real-time accuracy without delays. The company has started enrolling patients for a human clinical study at a top cardiology hospital in Brazil. The CBGM is implantable, providing 3 years of continuous, accurate blood glucose monitoring directly from the blood. The study, led by Dr. Alexandra Abizaid, will focus on glucose monitoring under various conditions and meal challenges. GlucoTrack aims to revolutionize diabetes care by offering a more seamless and less burdensome solution compared to existing continuous glucose monitoring systems. With results expected in 6 to 8 weeks, the company is one step closer to positively disrupting the current paradigm in diabetes management. Weekly intermittent fasting can increase the length of your telomeres. Test results from Greg Lindberg's 6-year study show. Greg Lindberg's 6-year study reveals that weekly intermittent fasting can increase telomere length, potentially reversing aging. By following the Only Eat on Weekends program, combining fasting with exercise and mental exertion, Lindberg saw a nearly 50% increase in his telomere length over 6 years. This program challenges the idea of a predetermined cellular lifespan and offers a free, accessible way to combat aging. Scientific studies link telomere length to lifespan, emphasizing the importance of lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. Lindberg's results show that regular fasting and exercise can lengthen telomeres, providing a simple and effective way to promote longevity and health.
Global futurist Jack Aldrich keynotes 2 events. Renowned global futurist and best-selling author Jack Aldrich delivered 2 powerful keynote presentations today, addressing critical themes at the intersection of technology, healthcare, and human values. His presentation on balancing innovation with human values challenged attendees at the IDC CIO's annual Forward Tech conference to consider the ethical implications of technological advancement while pursuing digital transformation. In his second keynote, focusing on the future of healthcare and PBMs, Aldrich provided insights into the rapidly evolving landscape of healthcare delivery and pharmacy benefit management, addressing trends like artificial intelligence in healthcare and personalized medicine. Aldrich emphasized the importance of organizations remaining anchored to their core human values while embracing innovation, particularly in healthcare, where technology should enhance patient care and outcomes.
Volition Beauty introduces Skin Rhythm Balancing and Clearing Cleanser. Volition Beauty introduces the Skin Rhythm Balancing and Clearing Cleanser, co-created with OBGYN Dr. Jacqueline Walters. Priced at $35 for 4 fluid ounces, this transformative cleanser targets adult skin challenges linked to hormonal imbalances. With ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, and bakuchiol, it addresses adult acne, uneven skin tone, excess sebum, and dryness. Benefits include improving blemishes, discoloration, and hydration. Available on volitionbeauty.com and ulta.com, it complements Dr. Walters' Skin Rhythm Balancing and Clearing Serum. Volition Beauty empowers creators to develop premium skincare products, focusing on clean, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty.
MuhdoHub integrates VChain toolchain to redefine personalized wellness and supply chain transparency. Muhdo, a leader in the epigenetic and DNA diagnostic industry, has integrated VChain toolchain into their new Web3 platform, MuhdoHub. This integration brings unparalleled visibility and trust to their personalized health products, offering consumers transparent purchases. VChain, known for supply chain innovation, now revolutionizes the wellness industry by providing detailed insights into the journey of MuhdoHub supplements. With blockchain technology, customers can verify ingredient origin, product quality, and trustworthy transactions. Each product will have scannable codes for blockchain-backed information. This level of transparency empowers consumers to make informed decisions with confidence. MuhdoHub's managing director, Sam Thompson, emphasizes the importance of complete transparency and trust for consumers. By combining AI with personalized health recommendations and VChain's blockchain, MuhdoHub sets a new standard in personalized wellness, offering customers a level of trust in the quality and integrity of their supplements.
State agencies and private sector join forces with BrightKey to combat fentanyl in correctional facilities. State agencies and the private sector have teamed up with BrightKey to combat the threat of fentanyl in correctional facilities. BrightKey's advanced mail screening program detects fentanyl and other illicit substances, enhancing safety for inmates and staff. This partnership aligns with legislative efforts like the Interdiction of Fentanyl at Federal Prisons Act, demonstrating a commitment to addressing the fentanyl crisis. By implementing effective screening measures, BrightKey and its partners set a new standard for safety and accountability in the justice system, reducing the risk of fentanyl-related incidents and lawsuits. The collaboration highlights advanced screening technology, improved safety, and legislative alignment, showcasing the power of public-private partnerships in addressing this critical issue.
TreatmentRehabCenters.org acquires NewBeginningsLakeCharles.com to enhance addiction recovery resources in Louisiana and nationwide. TreatmentRehabCenters.org has acquired NewBeginningsLakeCharles.com, enhancing addiction recovery resources in Louisiana and nationwide. New Beginnings at Lake Charles, known for compassionate care, has closed its physical facility, but TreatmentRehabCenters.org aims to preserve its legacy by connecting residents with quality recovery options. The organization's commitment to accessibility and quality is evident in its rigorous vetting process for treatment centers, ensuring the highest standards of care. By partnering with centers accepting most insurance plans, including Medicaid, TreatmentRehabCenters.org removes financial barriers to seeking help. This acquisition is part of a broader initiative to make quality addiction and mental health care accessible nationwide, honoring the legacy of New Beginnings while creating new opportunities for hope and healing.
Burhani Engineers' dedication to safety, health, and quality, highlighted in recent audit. Burhani Engineers Limited recently underwent a comprehensive audit, reaffirming its commitment to safety, health, and quality. The audit assessed environmental health and safety management systems, occupational health and safety management systems, and quality management systems. Auditors reviewed various sections of the company, focusing on hazard identification, risk assessment, emergency response plans, and environmental impact mitigation. The audit also evaluated safety protocols, employee wellness programs, and compliance with health and safety regulations. Burhani Engineers' dedication to maintaining consistent quality, resolving customer complaints, and continuous improvement was evident. The company's recertification with minor nonconformities highlights its effective management systems and pursuit of excellence, setting a benchmark for quality and safety in the engineering sector. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.